What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going over how to do an incline curl. And this is the incline curl. Taking a look at the arms, they should be slightly angled out at about a 10-degree angle for increased range of motion and tension on the biceps. Taking a look at the elbows, they should be in a fixed position to reduce swinging of the arms. And the primary target of this exercise, the long head of the bicep. And a complete waste of time here. So swinging the arms is going to reduce the tension on the biceps and cause a less effective workout. And here's a quick variation to this exercise that can be used to target the brachialis and the forearms. Alright fam, and that's how you do an incline curl. Until next time.